How to stop ads while playing games on iPhone. So if you want to block ads on your iPhone or if you want to stop ads while playing games on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you will get this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and you need to find an option of privacy and security. From privacy and security, you need to scroll down again and then tap on Apple advertising. Once you find, tap on it and make sure the button for personalized ads is turned off. Now go back and tap on screen time. Once you tap on screen time, you need to scroll down and go with content and privacy restrictions. Here under privacy, you will see the option for Apple advertising. You need to tap on it and then select don't allow option. Lastly, you need to scroll down and tap on Safari. You can go with apps and then scroll down. And once you find Safari, you need to tap on it and make sure the toggle button for block pop-ups is toggled on. And this is how you can block all ads in an iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.